How to find McDonald's promo codes. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in McDonald's promo code and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get a working promo code for McDonald's. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm gonna open this one, Simply Codes. Once you're in the website, you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for McDonald's. Just scroll down and check out the offers. 5% off, $30 off, 50% off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you wanna grab. You just have to click on copy code. With that, you will be directed to the official website of McDonald's. Now you can log into your account, make your purchase, and proceed to checkout. In the checkout page, you're gonna find the section of codes. Over here, type in the copied code and confirm your order. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website, you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for McDonald's. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. Lastly, head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also give a try to other website, as other website will also provide you working coupon code for McDonald's. So this way you can easily find working promo codes for McDonald's. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.